Now we want to take a look at the automated reporting of Magics. If you have clients, if you have team members, if you yourself want to wake up with a report in your inbox, then this is going to be very interesting for you. You find the automated reporting on the dashboard on the top right. You click on this, and basically we allow you to send daily, weekly, and monthly automated reports at the time you prefer and to the emails you prefer. On top of that, you can edit your PDF. Okay, you can change the matrices if you want to have different matrices. You can also white label this reporting. If you're an agency, you probably want to have your agency logo on top of this. You can easily do this. You can change to your agency colors, to the matrices you care or your client cares about, and life is good. And if you're an agency, I just want to pick on that path, you're just gonna love this. We send this in our agency business as well. And it's just so easy. Once a week, our client gets this report into their inbox. After that, we have a 15-minute call. This is what we've done. Check out the performances. Based on the performances, this is what we're going to do next week. Any questions? No, life is good. Hang up. Done. Client is in the loop. You have saved some time so you can grow your agency and the client's account. This is the power of automated reporting. Have fun, set it up, tailor it to your need, and make sure to check out the next videos.